Hey, in today's video we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be working in my own house here. We're in our laundry room and we have these cabinets behind us here. To get more room, we decided to get two upright freezers and stick them in this location, and my wife found a great deal online, so I said just order them and I'll make them fit. So today we got to take these cabinets off the wall and separate them by 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches to make the refrigerators fit. We're going to start here by removing everything out of the cabinets, pulling the drawers out. Let's go right now. Okay, there you got it. That was the worst part of it, was taking all the stuff out of it. Now we're going to remove the doors and take off the crown, detach them from the wall so we can pull them out of here, cut a little off, bring them back and put them back in. So pretty much just gonna cut the whole scribe off. What is it, 3/4 inch maybe?
Yeah, a little under.
Just measure.
You just want to take off 3/4?
Yeah, maybe 11/16. He's marking the frame here so we can take the track saw, which is a nice tool for this. It just cuts a nice clean edge straight, so we can put it right to the wall. Cabinet was in here before. It went right over this base trim with the scribe we had because it was 3/4 inch, but now we have to notch this base trim out so that the cabinet can fit in tighter to the wall. So I'm putting marks here so I can take the saw and cut it. If you haven't used one of these multi-tools, you need to get one and try it. They work great for doing this kind of project where you just need to make a small trim but you can't get in a jigsaw. .43 is the width of the refrigerators. So I think we need to take off. Let's measure what we got for gap back here. And we'll take that much off the front, shift this one over. It doesn't take that long to do.
Yeah. .5/8.
What do you got in the back? So I don't think that was squared up.
No, just take it back. Oh. Well, actually, it'll probably turn out to be the same as that one.
Say we take 1/4 inch off the front.
Why don't we just take the whole 3?
Because then we have a big gap.
What, between your refrigerators?
If we take the whole 3/4 off of here,
Yeah.
it's not going to go back 3/4 back.
No, it'll have to shift.
Yeah, but we need the same distance in the back as the front. is. All finished. Let's take a look. So now we should have room to fit the refrigerators in there. I widened this gap here by 1.5 inches. Got these all moved over. Got them tight to the wall, as tight as they will go. Luckily I had 3/4 inch scribe on either side, so I had room to move them over. Kind of got lucky there. Fridge comes tomorrow. So here we are, we're all wrapped up. We got the cabinets all in. Freezers came yesterday. We got them squeezed in and they are a tight fit. We got about a 5/8 gap between them here. They're tight to the cabinet, so let's take a look. Small room, so I can't get a very good shot here of the whole thing, but there they are, the 2 upright freezers. But what we ended up doing was we added this filler right here on both sides of the cabinet, one right here as well. That was what spread it apart, and then I just made a new piece of crown there and put that in and fit it real tight to the wall here. There's no gap now. So that's it. A little bit of knowledge, but a couple of array tools, and it's a pretty easy project. See you on the job site.